Another day, another condo unit na naman ang ito offer natin today, guys. Designing a small condominium unit doesn't mean compromising on style and functionality. As you can see, every area is magagamit natin para ma-utilize natin to. And by prioritizing functionality using light colors and mirrors, and embracing minimalism is very important. You can create a beautiful and comfortable and relaxing living space that maximizes every inch. And you have an ample space sa floor. And of course, enough storage sa ilalim ng lower bunk bed. May mga drawers siya. This kind of bunk bed design optimizes space and prioritizes safety, as always, and offering a very sturdy pathway to the top bunk that is both child-friendly and adult-approved. Ang staircase namin may mga cabinets din na magagamit natin. And of course, we also have to consider the privacy sa mga matutulog, diba? Katabi niyan is a tall wardrobe closet, may overhead cabinet for mga linen, and then sliding siya para naman hindi makaka-occupy ng space, and may mirror na rin. So, it's so practical, diba? Ganun lang yun. So, dito naman tayo sa banyo. Usually kasi, during turnover ng mga condo unit, lavatory lang siya. Walang cabinet, walang mirror, walang shelving, walang bidet or whatsoever, even shower enclosure. So what we did is sinasama na namin siya sa package. Yun lang, buyers. Oh, and if you wish us to assist in your apartment, condo unit, offices, mga bahay-bahay, just feel free to contact us or send us a message. Thank you!